Hello, this is James from illogics.com, and what I'm reviewing is the Rii Mini wireless 2.4 gigahertz USB keyboard with built-in touchpad. This device says that it's compatible with Windows 2000, XP, Vista, CE, Windows 7, as well as other Linux operating systems. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery pack, and they're stating up to a month of operating time on a single charge. This is the keyboard. I purchased this device on TomTop.com. It was roughly $40 some odd. Okay, as you can see, this is a device. Okay, to give you a size reference, this is a standard SD card. As you can see, it's rather small. Okay, it's also thin. Its measurements are 6 inches by 2.4 inches by 0.5 inches. So it's really compact, easy to carry around, especially if you're traveling. It has a laser pointer, USB port. This is used for charging the device. No, it does not interface or connect the device to Windows for operation. It's just used for charging. You have your power switch. And the other cool thing about this is that the USB dongle is actually built into the case, or the case actually stores the USB dongle. This is useful because sometimes on other devices the dongle is separate and real easy to lose. So in this case you can actually keep it with the device at all times. It has a relatively, or as close to a full-size keyboard capability for a device this small. It goes all the way up to F8 in function keys. It has speaker and volume control, playback, fast forward. It also has a touchpad with a right and left click, as well as an up and down D-pad. Now, the case, or what else comes with it, is a warranty card, a user's manual, which is very useful. It is very descriptive, and it's in English. USB charging cable, and decals. Okay, now what I'm going to show here is this is my Clarion Mine running MineWipe. And you can see it's runs rather well. And what I'll do is I'll the USB dongle into my device, and what you'll see is that the device itself, I've already done this before, so it normally will come up with some installing hardware. There's no drivers needed. They should all be built into Windows. It comes up as a standard USB mouse and USB keyboard. Let me turn the device on. Okay, as you can see here, link light, once that goes out, means I'm connected. Okay, for example, let me, as you can see, the mouse is moving around the screen properly. I could right click and show properties. Let me do a new. I'll do a rich text document. Open it up. Let me set the font size something large. Okay. We use backspace. Demonstration of the function key. And hold down the function, hit the Windows, menu pops up. So as you can see, it's extremely functional as far as a keyboard, especially for a PDA like the Clarion Mine. One of the other features that's excellent about this device is, as you can see, in light, the keyboard's fine. But what happens if you're in a dark or dim environment? This actually has a built-in backlight. The backlight can only be established once it's established a USB link. So it doesn't accidentally come on while it's in your pocket or something of that nature. But as you can see, there's the backlight. I don't know if that helps out any. And you can see turn off. This comes very useful, especially if you're on the go, you're set up somewhere where it's dark. I'm going to do a Control-Delete. Shut down. And there you go. This is the Rii Mini wireless 2.4 gigahertz wireless keyboard with built-in touchpad. It's very useful, very compact. You can see the laser pointer. And the range on it says that it's 30 meters. It seems pretty close to that. So if you wanted to use this with, say, a PS3 or a media center, it's ideal. It's roughly the size of a remote. So, but anyway, this is James at illogics.com, and this is the Rii Mini wireless keyboard with built-in touchpad. Thanks.